Hey everyone, today we're going to be making something awesome for spring. Now it's been a very long and cold winter here, so I'm so looking forward to spring. But we're going to turn this into an awesome tulip arrangement that's going to look amazing on the front door. So join me for the ride. So make sure to find a large wreath. This one is 22 inches in diameter. Today I'll be using lamb's ear wreath, which is about $20 at Hobby Lobby. I found these amazing tulips on Amazon, and they're made out of polyurethane and plastic with metal inside of the stem. So here's where the fun begins. You need to insert every single tulip inside the wreath, but you need to do so in a way that it intertwines or gets stuck inside of the wreath. You'll have to be careful though, because the tulips will move around, but we'll solidify them when we get to the end. Again, the trick is to find a way to insert every single tulip in a way that it can be wrapped around, intertwined, woven into the actual wreath. We will use hot glue and nylon string at the end to ensure that nothing moves. Once you've added enough flowers and tulips, make sure to use twine or nylon rope to tie everything down so you can begin hot gluing. As we start hot gluing, notice the nylon and twine that I used to strap everything down. Those won't be visible in the front, but make sure to put hot glue all over this area. And that's it, everybody. You've made your own spring wreath made out of tulips and lamb's ear. Hope you guys enjoyed this super simple spring decoration that'll look beautiful on any door or window.